All businesses talk about disruption, but today it's never been more true, with buyers' behaviour being driven by digital technology. In fact, 64% of businesses report that they have experienced competition from a digital competitor in their space, and 44% believe that their current business model will cease altogether within 5 years. Making better use of your own IT is therefore key. But for many companies, that's actually part of the problem. A legacy infrastructure that struggles to cope with new applications. It's expensive to run, can't scale, and prone to failure. A situation that can quickly get you sidelined by more nimble competitors. While there's always the option to buy new hardware, a significant upfront investment though, even more costly if you get it wrong. There's also the admin costs. New hardware always creates disruption, and it's a real hassle for IT folks. Well, there is an alternative, one that's been adopted by businesses of all shapes and sizes across the globe. It's called cloud computing, and provides businesses with on-demand computing power. Virtualized servers that run their normal business applications, together with all the data storage and network security features that you'd expect. The key difference is that they don't own, manage or maintain any of the underlying architecture, and only pay for what's needed, no more, no less. Unsurprisingly, cloud computing has a number of clear advantages over the traditional on-premise server infrastructure. Firstly, cost. This is an OPEX-based model, meaning simpler budgeting and an end to the traditional hardware CapEx spend. Then there's flexibility. Cloud compute allows you to right-size the resources you need from day one, knowing that sudden increases, planned or otherwise, can be implemented quickly and without fuss. It's massively scalable. Any changes in capacity, servers, memory, storage, it's all there, just ready to be used, meaning projects that might otherwise never see the light of day actually do get launched. And that's what we mean by being agile. High availability can now be taken for granted. The sheer scale of the public cloud platform has levels of redundancy that few organisations could afford to build themselves. And as you'd expect, a whole battery of security, compliance and conformance standards to meet the needs of the most demanding customer. And you simply install, manage and run your applications just like you did before, but this time getting more value from your IT folks because they can focus on the stuff that makes your business just better. Well, not all organisations have the skills to create and deploy cloud compute services themselves, and that's where we come in. As a fully managed service, we do the build for you, including an initial audit to make sure you get what you need, and then help you migrate. This just leaves you to look after your applications, and just so you know, it's all built exclusively on Amazon Web Services, the world's largest and most reliable public cloud platform. So, get in touch, sign up to the new model of business IT and become the disruptive player in your market.